Let's make apple fritters today. We will slice apples, fry them in batter, and sprinkle sugar and cinnamon on top. You will need, for apples, 1 cup of plain flour, half a cup of milk, 1 egg, vanilla extract, salt, baking powder, oil, cinnamon, and a little bit of caster sugar. To prepare the batter, whisk 1 egg with half a cup of milk. Add a teaspoon of caster sugar and just a few grains of salt. Next, add a few drops of vanilla essence. Start adding plain flour, gradually. You will need nearly 1 cup. But add the flour gradually, to make batter with the right consistency. The batter needs to be thick enough to stick to slices of apple, but not too thick. This looks about right. As you can see, we haven't used the whole cup of flour. While the batter is resting, we will peel and slice the apples. It's best to choose slightly sour apples for this recipe, such as cooking apples or Granny Smith apples. Then, slice the apple. Cut out the apple core, creating an apple ring. Before we start coating the apples in batter, we will add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Place the apple rings to the bowl with batter, and coat them from all sides. Heat up a pan, and add good quality frying oil. Once the oil is hot, start adding the apples. Fry the apple rings on medium heat, until they turn golden brown. Turn them, and fry them from the other side. Once they are golden brown from both sides, transfer them onto a plate. You can use the same oil to fry the rest of the apple rings. In this video recipe, we are using 4 apples. Dust the apple fritters with caster sugar and with cinnamon. You can serve the apple fritters individually, or layer them up and decorate with whipped cream or with fresh fruit. Let's cut one of the fritters to see how gently cooked the apple is.